sup? Name's Dustin Timberwood. You may know me from the band The Front Street Fellas. When I'm not dancing and singing with my bandmates, you can usually find me on the internet. Cyberspace can be a really rad way to do schoolwork, but most kids don't know the rules of the web. So me and some of my friends are going to show you guys some dope tips to help you have proper internet etiquette. You know, I wasn't always the great dancer I am today. It took a lot of practice to be able to pull off such fly moves. Practice doesn't just apply to dancing, but to being safe too. One important thing to do when surfing the web is to practice safety. Here's some rad rules to follow the next time you use your computer. Remain on school-appropriate sites whenever you use your computer. Be careful opening up files, website addresses, or emails from strangers. Make sure to routinely reset your password. And don't give your password out to other people. It's like handing out your house keys to strangers. With a little practice, you can master the art of staying safe on the internet. And with a little more practice, you can learn to dance just like me. Check it. Now, let's hear some more help from tips from a famous friend on the court.
Hi, I'm Naya Noore. You know, I play a lot of basketball, and throughout the years, I've really had to learn a thing or two about accepting responsibility. In this sport, you need to own up to your actions and be responsible. Accepting responsibility matters on the court and on the internet. When browsing cyberspace, make sure to follow these rules. Make sure your computer is connected to your teacher's Go Guardian class. Make sure you treat your computer responsibly. Report anything wrong with your computer to your school's text team right away. Be responsible for turning in your virtual assignments and on time. Accepting and taking responsibility for your actions online is an important thing, on and off the court. Now let's go on the air to learn some more.
Hey out there, my name is Howard Sirius, a popular radio talk show host here at Sirius UN. With my job, I have a lot of choices to make, what audio equipment to use, mics, and what to say. But no matter what I do, I have to make wise choices. And making wise choices on the internet is very important. Here are some general guidelines to help you online. Bookmark web addresses you visit most often. Manage the tabs you're using and delete ones you don't need. Organize your Google Drive with folders. And keep track of your assignments on Google Classroom. These tips have really helped me out in Radioland, and I think they'll help you out too. Now, let's go to TV's Teenage Sorceress.
Hi, I'm Marissa Jone Dart, and I play Serena on Serena the Teenage Sorceress. Working in Hollywood means I have to do school on set. That means I attend a lot of virtual classes. Whether I'm doing school on a Google Meet or on the set, I always make sure to show respect.
Here are some helpful ways to show respect to your teachers during virtual meetings. Mute your computer microphone if you aren't called upon. Raise a digital hand if you have a question. Log in through your school-issued email account. And make sure you aren't getting distracted during class.
Showing respect goes a long way in the classroom, whether it be virtual or in person. Time wait for rehearsal. Gotta bounce!
Oh, sup again. Hopefully now that you know some new tips, you can practice your internet etiquette. Just remember the acronym PAWS and you'll be surfing the web like a pro. See you in cyberspace. Me and my nope.
So cool. There's a schooly boop.
It's stuck in my hair. What do you want me to do? I feel like a Roblox character right now.